Hello fishing friends, I am here at Joy Springs to do a little trout fishing. I'm gonna really explore this stream today. I'm here by myself. Kendall had school, so no fishing partner today. So I'm gonna explore the stream quite a bit today. I got most of the day to do just fish, have fun. So I'm gonna go a little ways past the normal stocking area upstream, and I plan on trying to go a long ways downstream past the normal stocking area. I've gone upstream a long ways before in the past, but I haven't gone downstream past the stocking area. So we're gonna give that a shot today. First, we're gonna hit the normal stocking area and see if we can't catch a few nice trout. Anyways, wish me luck, and hopefully I'll see you guys in a little bit. Ooh, fish on. There's one. Fish on. Ooh, feels like a decent one. Hit that crankbait hard. On the cranker. Nice little rainbow trout on the crankbait. What are we gonna do with you, bud? Get you in the net. Okay. Spazzing out big time. Come on, let's get you in the net. Alright, that's a nice one. That's a nice. Who came off right? Where's it got in the net? Still got some energy and flop to him. Here, let's get this. Let's get the crankbait untangled so we don't get hooked. Alright. Stop flopping, bud. It's a nice rainbow trout right there. Nice big old pretty one. Alright, let's catch another one. Crankbait didn't work. Let's try a jig. Maybe a jig. I don't think the rooster tail's gonna work. We'll try a jig here. Oh, got one. Fish on. Looks like a brown. Oh, little brown trout. Little one though. A little jig here. See if we can catch another one. Got one. Fish on with the jig. Little rainbow. Little rainby. Fighting guy. Got him with the jig. Quit flopping, dude, and I'll let you off. Oh, rainbow. Good hook set with a jig. Nice, pretty little rainbow. So I'm going to catch another one. Alright. Got one. Fish on. Got another one with a jig. Another one. Oh, this guy's fighter. Another one with a jig. Not interested in the rooster tail or the crankbait, but the jig is working pretty good. He's another little guy. Got him in the corner of the mouth. There you go. Stop flopping, dude. Ah, you're slippery. Stop, I'll let you go. Corner of the mouth with the jig. See? Right in the corner. Perfect, nice. Perfect little hook set. Oh, no way is he coming off. Alright. Pretty little rainbow trout. Let's let him go. Go on, bud. And away he goes. Got him. Fish on. That's a nice rainbow. That's a nice rainbow. It's a real nice rainbow. Alright, with the jig. Ow, he fell off. Well, I guess we're keeping him. He just fell off into the sand. That's right, he's a nice rainbow. On the jig. There we go, fish on. Fish on. You got a little brown. You got a little brownie. Little brown trout. I was hoping to catch that off the stocking areas, some of these browns. One's something a little bigger. But got a nice little brownie. Guys are so pretty. Look at that. So pretty. Alright, let's go catch them. Let him go get them. There you go, fish on. That feels like, oh, he got off. Oh, still on. Nope, he was charging. Thought he got off, but he charged. That's a rainbow. God, the guy's a fighting. This guy's a fighter. It's a fairly decent rainbow. Let's get the net for him. There we go. We'll let him go. He's just not quite big enough. Long and skinny. If he had some meat to him, then maybe. He's the length, but he just doesn't have any meat on him. Pretty good though. Yeah, nice rainbow. Way out from the, I'm probably about half a mile down from the normal stocking area. That's how much they travel the streams. Let's catch another one. Another fish on. Fish on, another one on. Another fish on. Here we go here. Looks like a little rainbow. Another little rainbow. Another little rainbow. Another rooster tail. Oop. Well, I guess he got to go before you guys got to see him. Well, he wasn't very big. Let's catch another one. Hit it. Love for big old 5-pound brown. Drill it. Alright, we'll do a couple more casts of this, and then we'll try the crankbait. We'll try the jig, and then we'll move on. There you go, fish on. Oh, he got off. That was brown. That was a little brown. He got off. Got one. Got him with the jig. Got him. Got him. Got him. Yeah, nice rainbow. That's a nice rainbow. That's a real nice rainbow. Come on, let's get you the net. Yeah, that's a nice rainbow. All right. Nice rainbow with a jig. Okay. He's got my jig all caught up now. With the jig. Nice rainbow trout. Where do I have him hooked at? In the tongue. Quit flopping, dude. I'll unhook you if you stop flopping. Maybe I'll unhook you. You hook good. No way were you coming undone. On the jig. Nice rainbow trout. Alright, let's catch another one. Deer right there. Does he know I'm here? Meh. 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 Psh. Spike buck. Not a doe. There's another one. Another deer. Another spike buck. Meh. No clue I'm here. Meh. I just don't care. Hi guys, what you doing? Hi dear. There they go. That one says, I'm out of here. Stupid deer. Got one. That guy hit that as soon as it hit the water. Another one on the jig. What do we got here? What kind of trout is this? Is that a brook? That's another rainbow. No, it's brook. That's a brookie. Awesome. Nice little brookie. I love these pretty ones. I'd like to catch me about a 4 or 5 pounder of these. Brook trout, because man do they fight, and for how their size, and man are they pretty. Nice pretty brook trout. Alright, one bud. Catch another one. There he is. Got him. Got him. Another brook. Another brook trout. Another brookie. God, these guys are vicious. Another brookie. Pretty brookie. Nice, pretty brook. Male brookie. Wow, this guy's got some teeth. Starting to get that hook jaw on him. This one's a male. It's got that hook jaw. Look at those teeth. Damn, ferocious feeders. Pretty fish though. Alright, let's go. Let him go. Catch alone. There he goes. Got another one. Another fish. This one's a rainbow on the jig. Ah, another rainbow. Another one on the jig. This guy's a fighting rainbow. Real pretty rainbow. Real pretty coloring. Oh wow, this guy's really got some like pink in him. Real pretty rainbow. Another nice rainbow trout. All right. Another pretty rainbow trout. Let's let him go and catch another one. There he goes. Ooh, fish on. What do we got here? A monster, whatever it is. Big. Ginormous. And there's two. Is that a chub? Yep, big old cheap creek chub. It's a big creek chub. And there's tail. Alright, chub. There's a few there. Oop, fish on. That's a brown trout. That's gotta be a brown. Is there a brown or a creek chub? That's a brown. Yeah, little brown trout. Little brown on the rooster tail. I'm way down from the from the normal stocking area way downstream. So these fish down here rarely get fish, but there's not a whole lot down here in any size. Still fun. Oop, there he goes. Alrighty, let's catch another one.